Everyone is talking about AI and property management, but what does that actually mean for you? Today I'm going to answer the top questions about MagicDoor and show you how real AI assistance transforms your daily operations from constant chaos to smooth automation. Hello there, I'm Sydney from MagicDoor, and today we're diving into the most frequently asked questions about our platform. So whether you're managing 5 units or 500, these questions will show you how MagicDoor's AI can transform your property management business. What does it mean that MagicDoor is powered by AI? MagicDoor's AI acts as a real assistant, integrating directly with your workflows. MagicDoor was built with AI as the foundation, not an add-on, so you'll be able to automate property management tasks like tenant communication, maintenance request, rent collection, application processing, writing listings, and more. But it goes beyond just automation. Our AI also actively supports you by summarizing messages, translating languages, suggesting maintenance solutions, scoring rental applications, and more. This helps you make smarter, faster decisions while keeping your operations running smoothly. Does MagicDoor offer the same features as larger, more expensive platforms? Absolutely. MagicDoor delivers a complete property management solution, including AI-driven maintenance, leasing tools, customizable reports, automated rent collection, full accounting, all without the bloated cost of traditional platforms. How does MagicDoor's AI help with maintenance requests? We use AI-powered runbooks, which collects essential data from tenants, offers potential DIY solutions when appropriate, converts requests into work orders, assigns the right vendor automatically, creates a group chat between tenants and vendors via text or email, and enables seamless communication throughout the entire process. So how does MagicDoor handle tenant communication? MagicDoor consolidates all communication into one platform for you. With real-time messaging via text and email, AI translation of messages instantly from any language, summarization of lengthy or confusing communications, clear, efficient interactions between all parties. Tenants can ask questions about their lease anytime and have AI provide accurate, immediate answers, and seamless organization. All chats are based on tenants, leases, work orders, vendors, etc. This enhances the tenant experience while saving you valuable time. What makes MagicDoor easier to use than other property management software? Well, our user-friendly interface and Genie AI is designed for everyone. With intuitive tools like Magic Search, customizable dashboards, quick action buttons throughout the entire platform, streamlined workflows via AI, and most users become proficient within hours, not weeks, of onboarding, as this software was designed by a property manager with a background in AI engineering who wanted a simple, modern, and useful software. And that's exactly what MagicDoor is. How is rent collection handled with MagicDoor? We make rent collection effortless with multiple payment options like credit, debit card, ACH, secure processing through Stripe and ACH transfers powered by Plaid, a tenant portal for easy payment setup, bi-weekly payment options, automatic transfers, and complete payment flexibility. Does MagicDoor handle accounting? Yes, we provide comprehensive accounting support with GAAP accounting, cash accounting, and trust accounting. All your property-related financials are managed directly on the platform with a simple user interface. There is a full accounting suite and a full report suite. What types of properties does MagicDoor support? MagicDoor is designed to manage any properties such as residential properties, single-family, commercial, student housing, affordable housing, HOA, and we do have more HOA features on the horizon, multifamily complexes, and what's really cool is it's easy to have a mixed or diverse portfolio like residential and commercial. Our flexible features adapt to your unique needs. How are your background and credit checks handled? We do partner with TransUnion to provide thorough background checks and comprehensive credit checks. We also offer a unique Magic Score, which evaluates applications based on income verification, rental history, and background checks. This helps you make quick data-driven decisions while highlighting key details and potential concerns. This is done by giving applicants a 1 to 100 score with a detailed summary on why they received that score. So there you have it. Those are our most asked questions. And you can get started with MagicDoor completely free. We're revolutionizing the property management industry by offering an all-in-one ecosystem for property management at no cost to property managers. The core plan is completely free and includes all the features you need and all the AI features. You can get started today with the link in the description. With our AI-powered platform, you can focus on growing your business while we handle the rest. If you do have any more questions, I would be happy to answer them in the comment section below, where you can also speak to another live representative or even receive a demo. That being said, if you want to hear more about the industry, AI, or MagicDoor, make sure to hit subscribe, and you can hear more about how MagicDoor is revolutionizing the property management industry. And don't forget to visit our website with the link below to start your journey with truly intelligent property management. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!